This is our current hose situation, and we do not like it. That's why we got this Go for a While decorative hose hanger. Let's open the box and see what it looks like. So there's installation instructions. So this is what it's going to look like up front. This is the bracket that attaches to the wall. First you assemble it. Putting these here. Sliding that in there and doing that to all of the 3 sticks that we have here. Going to tighten it with the provided Allen wrench. There we go. 100 feet of regular garden hose, perfectly stored away. Awesome.